Alright guys, it's a Wednesday night. Just sitting here watching it storming. Can't really tell, but it's really coming down pretty hard. It's starting to slow down now. It's getting not too windy, but rain was coming down really heavy. We're just sitting over here watching the radar. That's our storm coming out. Here comes the wind. I mean the rain. You can hear it hitting the house. The driveway's all getting soaked. Here comes the car going pretty slow. Let's go. Take you. Whoa, lightning. Let's go take you downstairs here. Listen to that. Woo, is it coming down heavy. Cars are going nice and slow. Show you out here now. Boy. Coming down pretty good. There, it's stopping now. So I just thought I'd give you an update. It's storming. And now the lightning's picking up again. So that's what it's going to do tonight.